1 year ago tonight, we were reporting about the first case of COVID-19 that was in Mower County. A person in their 50s had gotten the virus. Since then, of course, health leaders all over the country, in the state and in Mower County have learned so much about fighting this virus. ABC 6 News reporter Mackenzie Davis joins me in studio with a look back. Mackenzie.
Betsy, Mower County has come a long way since their first case a year ago today, March 18th, 2020. Sadly counting 4,242 cases and 31 deaths. A registered nurse in southeast Minnesota says she has lived and breathed COVID for the past year, working on the front lines starting with COVID swab testing and now also working with the COVID-19 vaccine.
My world primarily has been COVID. We all thought entering 2021 it would be a new year and everything would be better, and it's kind of continued into 2021. But now we have vaccine.
Health officials have hope we will come out of this pandemic stronger than when we came into it.
Time has flown by, but also seemed like forever.
For Mower County, March 18th, 2020 was a scary day.
Right at the beginning, it was a pretty scary feeling. It wasn't like we were wondering if we would get one, it was when.
And when Mower County reported their first case, the next handful were soon to follow due to community spread.
I've been writing since the beginning in a notebook, and it's kind of fun to sit and look back on the notebook, all the different notes that I've taken throughout the year and how we've changed from the beginning to now we're mass vaccinating. What a great thing for a year later to be doing that.
And today in Austin, 1,000 vaccines are being allocated, 500 vaccines at Hormel Foods and 500 at QPP.
So we can do much more than what we ever imagined.
It's crazy to think about where we were a year ago today and where we will be a year from now. But if we've learned one thing this year,
a simple task of wearing a mask can keep our positivity rate down.
And how much has changed in a year is crazy.
You know, there was a time if you went into a store with a mask on, people would be fearful of you. You know, now it's if you go in without your mask, we worry about what you could be giving us.
Mower County only has 25% of their population vaccinated with the first dose of vaccine, so they are still stressing the importance of social distancing and mask wearing. Even though we are in full swing of putting vaccine into arms, wearing your mask and following guidelines will only get us closer to normalcy. Betsy.